Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to take the ute out to get a new exhaust, and by ute I mean the WRX Club Spec.
Morning,
how do you feel? Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Good. We're so excited. So we're on the way to DC Jack in Arndale Park. And what are you getting, babe?
R400 CATBACK.
INVIDIA. Yeah. And a short shifter as well. So we'll take you guys with us, and then we're going to do a big reveal at the end of what the exhaust sounds like, because I don't even know what the exhaust sounds like. Oh, and a blow-off valve upgrade, because apparently it already comes with one. I don't know, whatever, but yeah, excited. I'm Paso Princess today, and I'm gonna eat my breakfast, egg and lettuce sandwich, and then I've got a bottle of V here. Let's go. Okay, we just made it. There's an RX-7 right there. Everybody stay calm. Fuck, look at the rims too. That's crazy. Okay, we're walking in now. Okay, I grabbed my V out. Car's going in now. That's what a stock exhaust sounds like on a Club Spec. I think it's a little bit different than a normal WRX. I am not allowed to film them fitting it in, I think just for safety reasons, I guess, like not having randos in the workshop when they're working. But I will film the before and after of what the exhaust looks like. So I'll show you guys what the stock exhaust looks like right now on the car once I hoist it up. And then I'll show you guys the after of the new CATBACK and new exhaust tips and all that stuff. So yeah. How do you feel right now?
Excited.
Yeah?
Can't wait.
Can you tell us what the difference between the R400 and the Q300 is? The two very popular Subaru exhausts from INVIDIA.
As a CATBACK, there's not much difference, but Q300 is essentially the more quieter one. Less rowdy one.
Less rowdy. So we're trying to be rowdy then?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he was just telling me that he's getting the version 2. What's the difference?
Longer resonator, so it's quieter.
Version 2 is quieter?
20% quieter.
Ah, interesting. So we're not trying to be rowdy?
Not too rowdy.
Oh, okay. Just a little bit rowdy. So this is its stock. Are we changing it from here? Okay, big brains only. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna see if I can zoom out. Yeah, okay. So we just chose the gear knob handle. We're going with this round, smaller all black one, because Kelvin doesn't have any red accents in his car. And then this one feels a little bit more comfortable than that one too. We're gonna play this, hopefully. We gotta ask first, but we wanna play this while we wait, because it's a 2.5 hour wait. Okay.
So you got
this is the blow-off valve.
Blow-off valve, short shifter, you got your gear knob and bushes.
Cool.
So that's the stage 1.5 shifter kit.
We're walking to Mr. Fancy Candy that I saw on TikTok, because the Voice of Sydney went there. So we're gonna try and get some freeze-dried candies. So I've never had freeze-dried before, so I'm hoping it will be good and live up to the hype. It's like a 10-minute walk, so. Okay, we're here at, fuck, which one is it? That one. Mr. Fancy Candy. Okay, we're here. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one's the freeze-dried Skittles, and this one's the freeze-dried Nerd candies. The lady said that these are the best sellers and it's her favorite, so. Ranch dip.
It's crazy.
Coffee stuff. I'm a coffee gal, but it's been a hot minute since I've made coffee stuff. This is chocolate cream, caramel latte, hazelnut, strawberry. Maybe I get the chocolate cream and make mocha. Look at these different kinds of Kit Kats. This one looks cool. Mocha and chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna try this pink one because it's so cute. know what it is. Is it like a soda? Oh, sparkling water. Kelvin's gonna grab this one. Mountain Dew Pitch Black. That's the haul. Okay, taste test. We've got the freeze-dried nerds. Interesting. I like it. These are the freeze-dried Skittles. Oh, it's like clumps.
I got one.
Oh, this one's good. This one's good. Guys, the exhaust is on. That's crazy. So Kelvin chose the blue tip things. INVIDIA. Wow. Okay, so I was wrong. It wasn't that place. It was over here. My bad.
Like it.
You like it? Yeah. No. 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 Okay, so the car's on the ground now. Time to change the shifter. We're going short shifter right now, so that's what it looks like. And we're also adding a blow-off valve, so that's the stock one right there. Okay, so the short shifter is installed now. They're gonna put everything back together. That's the gear knob that we chose.
It's very, very simple to adjust. And if it
Here's
does
the
something
new
back
blow-off
fire
valve.
install, you can adjust it very easily.
Okay, so the car's done. Just paid. Let's hear it. Ooh. Give us a rev. Ooh. Okay, we are just on the way home now, so that's it for today for Kelvin's WRX. Do you want to tell them what your next mod will be?
Maybe coilovers and wheels.
Yeah?
They'll make the car really nice.
Okay. Okay, we'll see you when it's time for coils and new wheels. Like and subscribe if you want to follow the build. Bye!
See you guys, blossom up.
Yeah!